Good to have you with us here watching The Big Story. I'm Avni Raja. We're going to focus on the entire political row that has erupted over the centre's no oxygen deaths claim. Now, several opposition parties have criticised the Union Health Minister's reply in Parliament. The Health Ministry, in its written reply in Parliament, has said that no states or union territories reported deaths due to oxygen shortage in the second COVID wave. Now, the Health Ministry informed the state governments report deaths to the centre, and no such deaths have been reported by the states. Now, remember, just a few months ago, there were several states, including Delhi, which had reported deaths due to oxygen shortage.
Health is a state subject. Detailed guidelines for reporting of the deaths have been issued by the Union Health Ministry to all states and union territories. Accordingly, all states and union territories report cases and deaths to the Union Health Ministry on a regular basis. However, no deaths due to lack of oxygen has been specifically reported by the states and union territories. आप सोचिए जरा, क्या ये डाटा केंद्र ने बनाया? नहीं, राज्यों ने नहीं भेजा.
Meanwhile, Delhi government has reacted to the centre's comments. Remember, Delhi had been one of the worst hit with respect to the oxygen shortage. A number of hospitals actually reporting deaths due to oxygen crunch. Delhi's Health Minister Satyendra Jain also said that the central government had blocked a panel which they had set up in order to ascertain the number of oxygen shortage-linked deaths. The Delhi minister alleged that the centre did not want to give an ex gratia to those who died due to lack of oxygen. Delhi government also said that in the existing form where COVID deaths are recorded, there was no way for them to mention deaths due to oxygen shortage. The existing format allows recording of comorbidities, age group, and if the patient is RT-PCR positive. Meanwhile, BJP hit back at the Delhi government.
तो ऑक्सीजन का क्राइसिस था देश में, और कल जब देश की संसद में सवाल उठा तो केंद्र सरकार ने बहुत ही बेशर्मी से देश की संसद में एक सफेद झूठ बोला कि पूरे देश में ऑक्सीजन से कोई मौत नहीं हुई है। केंद्र सरकार को यह सोचना चाहिए कि अप्रैल के लास्ट वीक में 15 अप्रैल से 5 या 10 मई तक के बीच में जो देश में हालात थे, उसमें ऑक्सीजन का मिसमैनेजमेंट केंद्र सरकार की ओर से हुआ था, और केंद्र सरकार के ऑक्सीजन मिसमैनेजमेंट की वजह से देश में हॉस्पिटल्स में त्राही मची थी, और कोई बड़ी वजह नहीं है कि बहुत सारी जानें उस दौरान ऑक्सीजन की कमी की वजह से पूरे देश में गई थी.
All right, let me welcome my guests who are joining in on the show today. Dr. Shravan of the Congress is with us, and Raman Malik of the BJP is also with us. Thank you so much, both of you, for joining us on the show today. Raman Malik, let me come to you first. There is obviously, everybody knows what happened during the second wave. There was an oxygen crunch in many parts, which cannot be disputed in any way. Why is this become such a big controversy, and as far as the centre saying that there are no oxygen deaths?
See, it is very well explained that the procedure says that the state health departments actually send over the format, filled up format, to the union government. Not just that, also the state has a standard procedure. The procedure of the state says that the health department registers the death, and the municipalities also register, but the health department registers as per the residents of the district that the patient may be, but the municipality registered in a particular format which says that okay, when and where did the person die. Now, why I'm saying that is because even the state, every state has a health department, and the health department had been recording. I would challenge all of these vulture politicians to actually come out and show us their state department records, which clearly say that the death was due to oxygen shortage. And also, it is a known fact that in Delhi, when the Honorable Delhi High Court asked for an audit, the scoundrels of Delhi were able to, just take their entire gibberish that they had been given out. And they said there's no shortage. Whereas in Delhi, the Congress had supplies from Rajasthan which were illegally given. Now, my point and question here is that why are you doing filthy, dirty vulture politics on the death of people? Why can you not just simply accept that this pandemic is not a tool for politics? And that is what the bigger question is today.
Right.
That
Right.
if you
Raman
are
Malik,
not competent,
point
then why
taken.
use
Point
pandemic
taken
as a-
on the fact that there shouldn't be politics over this. But, and I take even the point that you have said that no state has reported, and you challenge states to come forward and talk about the number of oxygen-linked deaths. But the fact also is that every single person, including you and me, knew what was happening. Is it not the center's responsibility then to look at a probe, to look at what is going on? Why are these deaths not being reported in the form of oxygen deaths? Isn't that the center's role?
No, that is not the center's role. The role of the center is to monitor everything. Yes, the role of the center is also to make sure that the supplies are there. But if you are not doing something, and if you think that the center's format was not correct, you could have given a covering note to it. I don't think any state government or any secretary of the state government would not know that you can even send a covering note of the same. It is not something which is not done before. So a cover note could easily say that this is the reason, but out of these many people, X number of people lost their life due to the shortage of oxygen. Because of oxygen shortage, this complexity happened. A covering note could have been sent. Now, saying that there was no covering note format available is just a lame excuse.
In fact,
And you
before
are
I
giving
before I go across
No,
to Dr.
just
Shravan, I just
10
want to
seconds
go
more.
through what the Chhattisgarh government has said, which is a Congress-ruled state, that they've denied any oxygen-related deaths in the state during the second wave. Remember, Congress has been on the offensive over the centre's claim that there were no oxygen deaths. So let me go to Dr. Shravan now. Your perspective on this, because obviously there is one part of what Dr. Malik is saying, which is the fact that the states did not report these deaths, even though, and there are many states that have shown this kind of contradiction. On one hand, saying that there was lack of oxygen and there were deaths due to oxygen, but when it actually comes to reporting the official numbers, not doing that.
अवनी, मुझे पहले एक बात बोलने दीजिए. एक तरफ देश को मिसलीड करते हैं, राज्यसभा को मिसलीड करते हैं, झूठ बोलते हैं. दूसरी तरफ जो पूछते हैं उनको वल्चर बोल रहे हैं. मुझे हंसना या रोना समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. तीसरी बात है, if the states have misrepresented and underreported the deaths, they are the small vultures. And if the government of India has not made an attempt to cross-verify and present the truth to the country, they are the big vulture in this country.
No, but Dr. Shravan, I will ask that question to Raman Malik.
Let me complete.
Yes, okay, please go ahead. Please go ahead. Please go ahead.
Government of India is not only responsible.
Yes, Raman Malik, please allow him to complete. Yes, Dr. Shravan, please go ahead.
हो गया, सुनो.
हाँ जी, बोलिए.
Government of India is not only irresponsible but has become completely insane, inhuman, and I think the arrogance of authority has drained their conscience. That is the reason they are misleading the nation, misrepresenting the deaths. They have mishandled the COVID. They have underreported the tests they have done. They have underreported the positive cases. They have underreported the deaths. Now they are even saying that there are no deaths due to the oxygen scarcity. If that is so, why is that the Indian Air Force was deployed to transport the oxygen? If that is so, why the private industrial gas manufacturers were taken completely, their control was taken by the government of India or the respective states? What nonsense is this? You're trying to shrug up the responsibility, passing on the buck to the states that they have not given you the facts, so therefore we will lie to the nation. If the states have lied, you have the responsibility, Mr. Raman Malik.
Dr. Shravan, if I can just interrupt you for a minute, I'm sorry, but I do need to interrupt you here. We are not talking about the various other issues. We've discussed it time and time again about the other issues of management of COVID. We've asked multiple questions to the centre, and I will ask the question to Raman Malik about what the centre should or should not have done. But my question to you specifically is with respect to the states reporting, because there is a question over there. Why did the states not report the oxygen-related deaths when there was such a big hue and cry, when we were all seeing what's happening in front of us? Why is it that not a single state came out and officially reported oxygen-related deaths?
That is exactly what I am asking you. States have, not only with relation to oxygen scarcity deaths, they have not reported the COVID deaths also. They have not adhered to the WHO guidelines. They have not adhered to the ICMR guidelines. If states are violating the basic norms, who's supposed to control them? Will the government of India shrug up their responsibility stating that health is a state subject? Yes, states have misled. In fact, I come from Telangana. Telangana has reported that there are only about 3,700 odd deaths till 30th June of 2021. But the fact of the matter is that there are more than 1 lakh deaths have happened in Telangana. Among them, there may be many, oxygen scarcity deaths also. If state is lying, who should control them, you tell me? Just because the health is a state subject, government of India should be silent enough, mute spectator, and mislead the Rajya Sabha, mislead the government, the people of this country. Don't you have responsibility?
Dr. Shravan, I want to go to Raman Malik for a response on that. But Dr. Shravan, that's very easy to say. When the time is you're supposed to act. When your state governments are supposed to act and supposed to report the right way, that doesn't happen. And now that the time has passed, and now you're raising the issue of oxygen deaths, but you're saying yes, we made a mistake and that we shouldn't have. We sat back at that point in time. That's a very clear case of blame game being done. I'm sorry. One sec. Let's go to Raman Malik. Yes, Raman Malik, please go ahead.
Avani, you're very
The fact
biased.
of the matter remains.
I'm
I'm not. No, I'm sorry, Dr. Shravan. The fact is the centre has also not done anything in terms of asking for a probe.
But you can't.
Dr. Shravan, Thamba.
From their sin that they've committed.
Wait. I'll just expose to you.
No,
I'll just expose you.
I will
sir.
ask
Give me
the
another
question,
five.
Dr. Shravan, what you have raised. Raman Malik, the fact is also that the centre knew about what was happening. It's like when a riot is happening in front of you, you're saying that the state government didn't tell us a riot is happening, so no riot happened. That doesn't work like that, right? When you know that something is happening, it is also your responsibility to push it and to probe it and to find out.
बीच में verbal pollution ना करो, Dr. Saab.
Are very biased in this whole thing.
Hang on.
Repeatedly,
Hang on.
Congress party is
Dr. Savan.
questioning about misrepresenting,
Can you please put
under-reporting,
him
and
on
mismanagement of the entire COVID scenario. Who else?
Yes, Raman Malik, please go ahead.
See, the first and foremost point is that not just that the health was the state subject, reports were made by the state departments. I am saying a larger point. In the reports which are made and sent to the Honorable High Courts, whether it was Delhi or whether it was Maharashtra or whether it was other places, could the states not have said that? You have a standard procedure of accusing the centre government every day. You get up by doing that, you sleep by doing that. My point here is, did you submit such statements to the Honorable High Court where your governments, whether it was in Maharashtra or whether it is Chhattisgarh or whether it was Delhi also from the Aam Aadmi Party, did they submit anything which stated that there were some deaths which were due to the lack of oxygen? That is point number one. Point number two is, ma'am, that their supreme boss, the Milan Wale Baba, he comes up and says tweet. But he forgets there's his own states, whether it is Chhattisgarh, Punjab, Rajasthan or the coalition in Maharashtra, have been the places where the maximum number of damage was done and utilities, stuffs were misused. The equipment sent were not utilized properly. They are on record. And last but not least, Forget also everything. The state government does wonderful work. The center is bad, evil. Sir, let me know of this much. If there was so
Right.
much of knowledge with all of
Right.
you,
Raman
what
Malik,
did you
point
do
taken.
in all these
Point
states?
taken about why
What were you
X,
doing
Y,
in the
Z,
four
like you have
states?
listed out the 2-3 reasons why that couldn't have been done. I take your point, and in fact, Dr. Shravan has also gone so far as to say, yes, the states did not do what they were supposed to have done at that point in time. But I'm
So
going
then he
back
must
to my
teach that to
original
Rahul
question.
Gandhi.
Why is it that the center did not say anything at that point in time? How can you just turn a blind eye and say, go so far as to say that there were no oxygen reported deaths? There has to be
That is
some
the-
role, right?
that
When you're
is the
seeing
Avni,
something
Avni,
happening in
Avni,
states,
Avni,
as the
this is
center,
the
shouldn't you be
official
doing
feedback
something?
given by the state. That is the
Avni.
official feedback given by the states. The feedback or the answer given in the Rajya Sabha or the Lok Sabha are as per the official feedbacks and the official answers given by various departments, and then they are accumulated, and then there's given, the answers are given. So the basis of the answer had been the states, so the states have to be responsible. It cannot be that you can just shirk
No,
your
fair enough.
collars and
Raman
forget.
Malik, you're diverting from my question. Dr. Shravan, please go ahead.
You know, let me state that states or center, this country has not been reported properly in terms of the number of COVID deaths. Now, the government of India states that even among the COVID deaths that have happened, there is no report that the deaths have occurred because lack of oxygen. This is what they are saying. Modi government would not want to have the more number of deaths to come out because they are happy. If the less number of deaths are reported, which means the government is doing a better job. So therefore, government of India is completely silent. If government of India is sensible, responsible enough, if states are not reporting the number of deaths, forget about oxygen deaths. They have not reported the number of deaths properly. I'm telling you in Telangana, 3,700 deaths is what 1.5 years, the COVID deaths is what the report says. But the actual deaths on the ground are more than 1,20,000 deaths, and we have the data evidence. When we could see that, and when we are questioning the government, why is that the government of India cannot question the respective states that how are you underreporting deaths? Now you're talking about oxygen, but I'm even asking about the number of deaths also. Now, in the event of Supreme Court coming up with some kind of a verdict that, NDMA has to come out with the guidelines to pay the compensation to all the deceased families, if the number of deaths itself are underreported, how is it that the NDMA or the government of India is going to compensate to them? The whole thing is a farce, fraud. Government of India is happy that the states are underreporting. They don't want to question. Just pass on the buck that it's a health state subject. What nonsense is this?
Yes, center
And
is
you're
passing on the
misleading Rajya
buck
Sabha.
to the states,
Forget about
and the
a political
states are
speech
passing
and
on the buck to the center.
Can I rebut to him in 2 seconds?
Yes, Raman Malik, please go ahead.
Ma'am, he must not forget that he is a national spokesperson of the Congress. Congress has almost 3.5 states under it, and those 3.5 states which are under it also would be accused of the same thing, number one. Number two, the fact is that by saying this statement, he is agreeing to the fact that Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, Punjab and Maharashtra all have underreported the deaths, and their people sitting in these states are butchers, are killers, are people who have misled the country. Is he, as a national spokesperson, confirming this? From the Congress, is he confirming this much, that he is accepted that all these 4 states, the health departments did not do their job and they are the butchers, and the Congress accepts that all the 4 states health ministers did not work, and they should be, since they are not reporting fully, since they are not doing their work correctly, is it that Rahul Gandhi is going to sack them today itself?
Raman Malik, let's not get into
Give me a second, Avni.
Yes,
He's
yes, Dr.
accepted
Shravan,
this
go
on the
ahead.
TV.
Avni, can you give me a second?
Yes, please go ahead.
So, which means that before asking what Congress party would do to the Congress-led states, if the state governments have misled the government of India, if that presumption is right, is Raman Malik saying that Yogi Adityanath has misled the country and the government of India? Shivraj Singh Chauhan also has misled the state and country. You are accepting that BJP-led states also have misled the government of India? You do that first, then we will talk about it. You be sitting on a bigger position with complete authority as a national health ministry. You don't do your job, and you are talking about state Congress-led states. You are indirectly saying Yogi Adityanath has misled the state. Shivraj Singh Chauhan has misled the country. Therefore, you are misleading Rajya Sabha and the nation.
Dr. Raman Malik, Dr. Shravan, you know, both of you have
You
just
questioned your own party on the national television.
you
Now
have
there's
just
no point
highlighted
hiding around.
exactly what this entire issue is here. The center is blaming the states are blaming the center, and nobody is accepting what has actually happened. Who is going to take the blame? Who is going to take the responsibility for all those people who lost their lives
Have
due
you
to
not
lack of
accepted
oxygen?
that the states under Congress have not worked?
Who is going to take
I did not
responsibility? I want to
accept
ask this.
Avni, one more thing.
I did not say so. He said
Avni,
that.
one more thing, please.
The
One
states
more
under
thing.
Congress have not
Avni, one
performed
point.
their duty.
Avni, one point.
Yes,
One
yes,
point.
Dr.
He's
Shravan
already
and then
condemned
Raman Malik.
Avni,
Supreme
one
Dr.
point.
Shravan
One
and then
point.
Raman
Let
Malik,
Avni
please.
speak. I'm okay to listen to Ramanji. One point. Let Government of India come out with the template or the format or the guidelines that they have prescribed, the specific format that they have prescribed to the states to document the COVID deaths. I don't think Government of India has made any specific template or a format to the states to report the COVID deaths. In fact, ICMR guideline says even if there are comorbid conditions, people die with the comorbid conditions, those deaths also have to be shown as COVID deaths. But unfortunately, ICMR guidelines were kept aside, WHO guidelines were kept aside.
Dr. Shravan, what are you saying? You are saying that if the center gives you a proper form, you will follow the rules and you will fill out that form. How is it? If till now it has not been done, how will one format or one template help? Is that going to make the reporting better?
Avni, when Government of India says that the states have not reported properly, when Government of India said that the states have not reported properly, what is the reporting format that you have used?
No, I am sorry. I do not accept reporting format as the answer to this or as the reason as to why states did not report. No, Dr. Shravan, please, Raman Malik, please go ahead.
See, my point is one, I would thank the spokesperson from the Congress to accept that the Congress, all 4 Congress states have failed themselves to be effective in this COVID situation, and he's said that they have been underreporting and doing the wrong things. Number one. Number two, I have already answered his question where he was now asking about the format. I have already said a covering note could have been easily sent by these states, which they did not. Now comes the third and most important point. The most important point is that today when you talk about this and the Delhi government, which went on halabula across the entire time, and every day 12 p.m., 12 noon, you had one gentleman who was unfit to be a chief minister coming and just giving a gyan, could not come out and say anything about the fact when the High Court came and asked about the audit, they shirked away. When it came about the facts that the oxygen producers also came in front and said that they did not have the capacity to store or to do anything or to keep the oxygen, they kept the trucks moving every now and then. So all the facts are there that these people who are today trying to play politics on these gruesome period for India as a family are the ones who have never bothered to make sure that, politics can carry on. But in the time of pain, they should stand with the nation. They are always into this process of doing this kind of politics, which only says, I want to come to power, come what may.
But Raman Malik,
So
my
whether
point
it is-
is you are going on and on about the same thing of what states haven't done. Yes, states have not done it, but what did the center do? You sat back and did nothing
Center-
and reported exactly what the states gave you, even though you
Center
knew that
never
was
stopped.
wrong. That is not the way it's supposed to be, right? The center has to look into it, has to probe, has to look in the deaths. You know there's lack of oxygen. You know there are people dying because of lack of oxygen. At the very least, the center can pull up those states and look into probe the deaths.
Avni, whether it was oxygen supplies, this kind of mass movement had never happened in the history. Whether it was making sure that the medicines are available, wherever there was a shortcoming, whatever was under shortcoming, production was increased, everything was pushed, whether it was from private or government agencies, whether it was making sure that the stuff was made available, whether it was PPE kits to masks to anything. We know we have moved heaven and earth just to make sure that everything is made available. And what are we being accused of? We are being accused of something which says as simple as this, that somebody else did a mistake, they have not given factual data, and those
It
very
is not
same
somebody
people,
else, Raman Malik. It is the states of the country, of this
Correct.
country. It is the states of the country
So
of which
union
you are in
government
rule at the
is
center.
the union
I'm afraid we are
government and the state
completely out
government
of
same.
time
Abhi, can
on
you give me a
this
second?
They're
show.
not
This,
the
of course,
same.
discussion is going to
The federal
continue. My sincere apologies, Raman Malik and Dr. Shravan. Thank you so much for joining us. We're completely out of time here. But this discussion today has put the spotlight on exactly what the problem is. The center is blaming the states are blaming the center, and at the end of the day, nobody is going to take responsibility for all those lives of people which have been lost because of lack of oxygen. That's the big takeaway from this.